Do you have to implement all of the recommendations provided? No. In fact, you don't have to do any of the recommendations provided. However, the more you complete, the better your chance of selling your home faster and for the most amount of money. Now, we understand that some of the recommendations that we make may not fit with your time frame or even your budget, but we do suggest that you aim to complete a minimum of 75% of all the suggestions provided. Remember, you or your real estate agent have hired us to provide our expert opinion regarding the best way to showcase your home. And we are therefore required to provide you with all the recommendations for increasing the overall saleability of the home. All recommendations provided are based on today's buyer's expectations and any adjustments that we feel can be made that would help to ensure that the home best appeals to those buyers. Now, how much you choose to do is up to you. However, most Beyond the Stage Homes clients implement approximately 90% of our recommendations.